Hey guys, Mr. R here, coming in for just a little in-betweener for next week. End of the week we should be coming up with a new video with what we're doing with the GSXR. This one's just to let you know I'm going to go get something later on, and it's going to improve our quality of our video, hopefully dramatically. So stick around to the end and then see what we're getting. It'll be good. Alright, see you guys later. Hey guys, here we go. Me and my little girl. Pointed at me.
Huh?
Yeah, look at the back. So you can see me.
Oh, okay.
Am I focused?
Yes.
Okay guys, now we're gonna go get that little item that I was telling you about. This should be fun. See, I got my daughter here, she's holding the camera. So I'm driving to Leiden in the Netherlands.
The Netherlands.
The Netherlands. And there we're gonna pick up this little item that I saw every YouTuber or film industry, whatever, they use this thing so I'm not going to say too much, otherwise I'm going to spoil it for the end of the video. I started this YouTube because I was really inspired by a couple of people that I saw when I was looking for things to do. I was going to build a motorcycle, which I'm still going to do, but all these other motorcycles are coming in its place because they need repairs and people are asking for help. So me and my buddies, Mr. B and Mr. M, we figured let's do it this way, you know, film everything we do, throw it out there, and we're pretty new at this, so we got a lot to learn. I had no idea what I was doing, so I was watching, and I came across this one guy from Canada, my home country, not my hometown because he's from Toronto, Peter McKinnon. If you're listening, thanks bud, you're the greatest. He's giving you all kinds of tips and things and tricks and products that you could use to film, to make your videos better, and really appreciate that. Thank you again. So now I'm trying to do that. It's costing me money, but hey, this is so much fun. Didn't think it was going to be this much fun. Lots of work goes into editing films. So what we do is we learn as we go along. Try to get some better quality videos out there, try to get a little bit more detail so that you guys out there watching this, and girls obviously, can learn that you don't have to worry about fixing small things. I mean, we're not mechanics, we're just hobbyists. I got my normal job, my buddies got their normal jobs, and so we're learning as we go along. But you know, we got manuals, common sense, and the channel YouTube. You know, you can find lots of stuff out there to figure out how to fix things and how to make it and stuff like that. And then that way we can learn and save a lot of money. Now, I don't suggest you do this all the time. I mean, the professionals are out there for a reason. You really need them a lot of times. So hats off to all the work that you're putting in, and especially this time of year, you see 19 going around. It's not making it any easier for all these people to do this sort of stuff. You're doing this other stuff what kids are doing nowadays, aren't they?
Yeah. I'm playing outside with my friends, and FaceTiming with my friend at school. And
Yeah? So this guy on this Harley just pulled up behind us. And usually when you're riding bikes, everybody does it, they wave to each other, bike to bike. Now, I'm driving down the highway, I got my signs on the back of my caddy with a big Harley Davidson sign on the back. So this Harley guy comes up from behind me, pulls up beside me, sticks out his legs like what you usually do when you're waving to somebody. And that's the first time I've ever seen anybody do that. Wave to a car instead of a bike.
Yeah.
So that was pretty unique. Thumbs up to that guy. You'll probably be seen on the video. We got you pulling by, buddy. We got you riding right by. Shall I sing a song for you, Luna?
First.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine. Hey, I'm back, and I got this box. Oh, that's gonna be fun, Luna. Really nice guy. So the guy's name is Andres, and he's from Argentina. Handsome devil. Wish I looked like that. So I'm gonna put this box that you guys are seeing in the back seat, and later on I'm gonna show you what it is when we get back home.
Ooh.
Okay guys, I got it. This is the box that I've been waiting for. Bought it today because I thought it would improve my quality. So what I'm going to do is show you what it is. The Viltrox 4K HD LCD monitor kit. Let's see what it's like. We got HDMI cables, all kinds of little cables. We got charger. We got a battery. We have a piece to put on the monitor to connect it to the camera or whatever. Got a little book, tells all about it. User guide, really tiny. Could have got glasses. Oh, it comes in a little bag. Nice. Oh, it's so soft. And here it is, guys. The Viltrox monitor. There. Ooh, look at the size of that. Check it out. Looks great. It's HDMI out, HDMI in, DC in. And there it is. Put that on there. Now I can see what I'm doing. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing now because I'm staring at the camera and the screen's on the back. So I have to guess what's going on. With this thing I'll be able to see what's going on a lot better. I could have got the 5-inch. It would have been a little smaller, maybe a little lighter. It's not that heavy. So I'm going to use this, turn it around, and I can see what I'm doing. Nice. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked it. See you soon.